If you have a house in Blue Ash, Ohio, and you want to sell and you want it to be fast, easy, convenient, and you want to get a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Blue Ash, Ohio. And in this quick video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in Blue Ash prefer a buyer like us. It's a direct buyer and not a traditional buyer, or rather than working with a traditional buyer who's using a mortgage or needs to qualify for a loan. So with us, we're going to keep it easy because we're an as-is buyer. That means you don't have to fix anything. You don't got to hire a handyman. You don't have to clean anything. You don't need to haul anything away. You can take with you anything that you want out of the house. Anything you don't want or don't need, you can just leave behind. And we truly buy the house in its as-is condition. So that's important. You don't need to come out of pocket anything. You don't need to do anything whatsoever for us to buy the house. And we buy houses in Blue Ash and surrounding areas that need all levels of work. Some don't need a lot of work, some need a lot of work. So we're open to anything and we'll buy the house as is. And what allows us to buy the house as is we are a true cash buyer. So we're not relying on a mortgage company. And that's more what you're going to get with a traditional buyer. If they're needing to use a mortgage or needing to use a lender, what comes with that is they're going to send their inspector through, and the inspection is very thorough and it's intrusive if you ask me. And they're going to test every single outlet in the house and every light switch and every ceiling fan and open and close the doors and the windows. And they're basically going to compile pages and pages of everything wrong with the house. And then you as the seller, this information or this inspection can only be used against you. It could only be used to renegotiate or get extensions or ask for credits. And then also, if you survive the inspection, it gets worse because now they got to send their appraiser through. And the appraiser sometimes is worse than the inspector because the appraiser oftentimes kind of works for the bank. And the bank has their own best interests in mind, as you know, and they can blow up this whole deal, kill the whole thing, and send you back to square one. And it's a big waste of time at the end of the day if that happens. But in real estate, it's not just a waste of time, it's actually a waste of money, because every day that goes by that you haven't sold your house in Blue Ash because you're needing to jump through hoops or hope this third-party appraiser and lender, hope they come through for you. Every day you don't sell is another day you got to pay utilities, property taxes, insurance, and there's just a lot of opportunity cost. So with us as a direct buyer, you're not going to get any of that. We'll make a fair cash offer on your house in Blue Ash and take it right to the closing table. So if you have a house in Blue Ash that you want to sell for a fair price, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. Yes, it says Columbus in our website name. We were founded in Columbus, but we're very active buyers in Blue Ash, Ohio, and all over the Cincinnati area. So when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about when you want to sell. So you tell us your timeline. If you need to close quickly, we can accommodate those needs. If you need more flexibility and you want to set a future date, we could accommodate those needs as well. It's really up to you. And we're going to make you a fair cash offer on the house. If our offer works for you, great. We'll move forward, keep it very easy. It's a one-page agreement, no fancy legal language, nothing like that. And if our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We're not going to pressure you. We're not going to leave a bad taste in your mouth or, you know, try gimmicks or sales tactics or play games with you. We're not going to waste your time. That's what you get with those call centers. You know, the call centers that are sending everybody text messages saying they want to buy your house and, you know, leaving voicemails or cold calling you and stuff like that. We don't do that. We're local. We're going to treat you like a fair neighbor. And, you know, we're going to treat you like we would expect to be treated at the end of the day. We have hundreds of references, testimonials, and positive reviews as well. We've been around a long time, and we want to do right by you and just create a fair deal for you and for us and just get this thing done. So if you have a house in Blue Ash and you want to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and get a fair price, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perchin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.